Hey guys, today we have our Trader Joe's haul for you. This is what we got, a couple new things. So we'll just get right into it. We have a couple boxes of macaroni and cheese. Of course, that's a staple for our boys. We got hot dog buns, and we're gonna try these sweet, let's see, these are like frozen. They must freeze them, but these sweet pull apart Aloha rolls. So I don't know, they just look super soft and delicious. So we're gonna try those. We got some plain bagels, our chocolate almond granola cereal, some regular oats. I'm gonna try those in the Instant Pot this week instead of the steel cut oats. We got these PB&J bars, some grape tomatoes. I'm gonna try this strawberry chia juice smoothie. I just kind of did like a juice cleanse. Well, not kind of did, I did a juice cleanse. And I thought this might be kind of a good end to it because I'm going to eat some food today. And I'm also going to have this mozzarella and tomato salad. So this looked pretty tasty. It's all fogged up so you can't see it now. We got a box of corn dogs, these zucchini spirals, which we've made these before. We don't have like the noodle cutter, like whatever that is called, but we cut them by hand, which is a pain, but these are frozen and yeah, so we're going to try these. And then some of these chicken nuggets for the boys. Got a bag of the frozen green beans, 2 bags of the Nochi all gorgonzola, I believe that's what it's called. A couple things of yogurt. The boys got to pick out a treat today because we are solo without Jeremy this weekend. So they got to pick out something, and this is what they picked, these fruit jellies, and we've had these before. They are really, really good. Got a carton of the almond beverage vanilla. I thought maybe we put this in smoothies. We're gonna have smoothies this week, so we'll see. This is going to be for Jeremy and I on Valentine's Day. This chocolate chip cookie. I mean, man, that looks so delicious. I am gonna have to get some vanilla ice cream, but yum. And then I got a package of the hot dogs to go with our buns. So that was our haul today. Our total was $68-ish about. And yeah, so thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!